Is your fridge making a constant clicking sound and not cooling? This tiny part could be the problem. A clicking fridge compressor that turns on and off, often not cooling, is usually caused by a failed start relay, faulty overload protector, or the compressor overheating due to dirty condenser coils. It is commonly a protective mechanism where the overload switch cuts power due to excessive heat or amperage. Here are some common causes and fixes. Defective start relay, the most common cause, located on the side of the compressor. If it rattles when shaken, it likely needs replacement. Dirty condenser coils, dust, dirt, and grease build up on coils, behind or under the unit, prevent heat transfer, causing the compressor to overheat and trip. Clean them with a vacuum or brush. Failed condenser fan, if the fan isn't blowing air over the coils, the compressor will overheat. Faulty overload protector, this component stops the compressor when it draws too much power or runs too hot, it may be damaged. Compressor failure, if the start relay is fine, the compressor itself may be shorted or locked. Troubleshooting steps: unplug the fridge, wait 5 to 10 minutes to reset the system, then plug it back in. Clean the coils, vacuum the condenser coils thoroughly. Check the relay, remove the start relay from the compressor and shake it. A rattling sound indicates it is broken. Inspect for airflow, ensure the condenser fan is spinning and nothing is blocking air circulation. If these steps do not work, the issue may be a faulty compressor or a sealed system leak, requiring professional repair.